Within iCMS, we can also perform some diagnostic testing. As you can see, I'm in desk stations, and this device here is AB52. If we go across, you can see that it's an iTurret with the IP address, and you can see that training user 1 is sitting there. There is also a status bar, and this has a number of icons within that status bar. If I click on the help menu or the search, and I type device status, it will bring up a number of device statuses, and if I click on them, it shows us what ones we can see. So the red line is out to sync, the white with the red shows that the iDuct device is not running. We also have the option that once we click into the device itself, that we can offer a diagnostics and a network trace. So I'll start my network trace, press OK. You can see that that was successful. I can then capture them logs and send them to a file.
Each Speakerbus iSeries device becomes with a status menu. You can see we have network, iCMS and SIP status. We can also use the menu to just drive down and connect. So we can show network, iCMS and SIP server. If all status is just indicating green, that means everything is happy and talking.
Hi everyone, so now we've got some more information on the status icons. If you remember, I mentioned the network status and I indicated the green arrows. That would show you that the network was good. If there is yellow arrows, that is a warning condition, so it's worth checking onto the turret what the message is around the warning. It can be something as simple as network faults, but again, it's always worth checking onto the turret. And finally, if it's red, then that is a bad condition and there is no network. But every time you drill down into the turret, it gives a really good description of what the actual fault is. Also for the iCMS, again, if the iCMS status is green, that indicates it's good and it's happy and it's talking with iCMS via iManager. If the state is yellow, again, that's a warning. I would always recommend, again, you drill down into the menus to see what the message being shown is. It may be something simple that you've got the wrong IP address or DHCP isn't working. And again, if that state is red, it's a bad connection, which means the turret cannot talk to the iCMS, therefore it cannot announce itself into iCMS. And finally, the SIP status. Again, if it's green, good, it means that everything that's programmed onto the turret is all working, whether that's your line appearances or your core appearances. If the warning is yellow, that means that some lines may be configured, but some lines aren't. Again, check on the turret and it'll explain to you what actual extension numbers may not be programmed. But if the line is, the state is red, that means it's bad and it's not getting any information at all, which means it could be a programming issue in the names or the numbers. So again, check the device and that will give that indication of what the message is.